Alright, so I'm gonna do one of those galaxy theme things that you see like people do the spray paint galaxy stuff like that. So I'm gonna do one on here. This is a canvas. It's a decent sized canvas. I don't know the size of it. Anyway, we're gonna make the base black. So we're painting all this, the whole thing black, and then I'll show you how to get your little black hole, and then we'll start doing the galaxy stuff around it, and then finally I'll mix glitter with epoxy, and then we'll pour it over the entire thing. So let's get this thing painted. This is dry to the touch now, so I'm we're gonna put this up here. It's dirty, so I'll probably grab something else, but just to get the circle, you know, we'll sit it up there wherever, spray the other colors around it. When we pull it off, you'll still see the circle with the other colors around it. Then we can pour the epoxy. So let's grab some colors. So this purple, I'm gonna use this purple after the epoxy's on there, because I can spray like little lines in there and use the epoxy to move it around so it looks like you know, like when they show pictures in science class, like the sun and the little burst or whatever, those things. I don't know what they're called, the flares. Some yellow, some red, and then I'm gonna use some of the silver glitters like stars. So I think that's it. Yellow, red, purple. Maybe we'll miss some white on there. This thing isn't clogged up. All right. Put that over here. Oh shit! What's your shit? All right. This used to be a clean workstation, but you know, too many projects and stuff gets crazy. Okay, I just want to use some of this. Let me grab another bucket. Hey. All right, so this is gonna be our black hole. I don't know if I want to. We can make two. We could do one big one and one little one. I just need a smaller. We use this. It's almost empty anyway. All right, so let's start with red. So just do a little bit around the whole side. I'm sure you're dying over there with those spray paint today. All right, let me turn the fan on. It's like, sometimes I want the fan on, but then once I go to do the videos, it's like, sounds like I got the windows down.
Everybody want to be in the video.
All right, we'll do some yellow. If you get like little droplets in here because this thing's clogged up, I mean, it's a galaxy, you know, nothing's perfect out there, so it won't be too bad. Meanwhile, I'm cleaning my nozzle. All right. We'll do some of this. And I try to get the edges too, because, well, if it's hanging on the wall, you're still going to see the edges. So I always try to grab some edges too while I'm in it. I think I'm gonna get some more red in there. We'll do a little bit more yellow. I like the way the yellow comes out.
Blends well.
Yeah, it's like a, sounds weird, but it's like a powder or something. Let's see, we got some little splotches because my thing's clogged up, but like I said, it don't matter. Throw them up there. All right, some of that. I'll spray a little white up here for like an accent. That's terrible, but it's perfect for this. I feel like we need more red. I try not to overdo it, but at the same time, I don't want to underdo it. You know, I'll just leave it after this one. All right, I'll leave it.
Should say supernova. Let's go supernova.
Yeah. I wish. Yeah, I'll do the purple after this. All right. So you ready? Perfect circle. 2 perfect circles.
Okay.
All right. Now we're gonna measure out some epoxy, make some glitter in it, pour it, put the purple on there, make some flares, and then that'll pretty much be it. You'll just have to dry for that. Move that failed project out of the way. Alright, so we'll get this put up here and then start making the flares. So I always try to coat the whole thing, the whole surface before I go over the edges, just in case you don't have enough. I mean, you could always make more, but just a tip. Don't hit the edges for the surface. All right, not too much heat or it'll, so if today was a cooler day, still see bubbles. So you don't want to keep the heat gun on it because it'll burn the epoxy. If it was a cooler day and the epoxy was where you want it and you start hitting it with a heat gun a lot, it'll start running everywhere and it's a nightmare. No one wants out of control epoxy. I'm gonna hit it one more time. Alright, let's get these solar flares. That's what they're called.
Yeah, solar flares. Shooting stars.
That's in the next video.
Okay.
Alright. Hopefully I don't blow epoxy everywhere. Matter of fact, it's so hot out here. You might be able to just, nah, that's too much air. Maybe it's not. I'm about to pass out. And we have our first victim. See, this is exactly why I pour epoxy at night. Can you see him in the camera? We got a fly in the epoxy. Thankfully, it's still wet. He'll never fly again. Thankfully, it's still wet. If this had already started to tack up where it won't self-level anymore, then that would be an issue. But we're good right now. But this is why I always pour my epoxy at night, so I can just close the garage door and not have to worry about that. Kind of wish I had some more yellow in here. Whoa. This thing got no chill. I think I might grab the yellow. Do a little something. Whoa. It's not where I wanted though. I don't know what happened there, but it's fine. All right, well that's pretty much the final product. I'm gonna stop messing with it before I mess something up, but yeah, that's it. Maybe like 20 minutes, and you can make one of these yourself, as long as you got some epoxy. I'll hit it one more time with the heat gun, just to make sure air bubbles don't collect. Got a few in there. Then we'll wipe the bottom edges and let it dry.